Alright, well, it's Sunday. Made a lot of videos yesterday. It was real nice. I think it hit 70 yesterday. Well, the things turned overnight. Now it's 45, 46 degrees out, excuse me. Itchy eye. And I always have an issue with growing onions. Just can't do it. Started some onions, which I have over here. I'll show you. Well, some are leeks as well. Those be the onions. Those are the leeks. You see really bad germination. I did sow some more seeds in a couple of the spots. But even these ones, they did great. Now they all look like they're gonna croak. So, I was thinking some of the seeds I did sow were kind of old. Some of them weren't, most of them weren't. So I got these guys. And this kind of turned into my onion bed over here. So I'm just gonna get in here. I'm gonna moisten this soil up. I'm gonna pop a couple drills in, and I'm gonna sow the rest of these. These are green onions, bunching onions, salad onions, spring onions, whatever you want to call them. And I have a couple other things, but I'm gonna get them in this bed where all the other onions seem to be kind of growing, and see if maybe direct sowing early is a better option than trying to do in module cells and growing them in a clump. But we'll see, and I'll show you after I sow them. And that's what's going on at Noah's house today. I should have said that earlier so I could put my cool little intro in there, which I could still put my cool little intro in there. See you in a bit. All right, so I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of spring onion, a row of the wasabi radish, because I'm real curious about that. I put 2 rows of purple top turnips, which I thought I bought more turnips seed. I have to look. And then over in between all these onions and there's a couple lettuce, I just threw the ends of 3 packages of radish seed, which is just gonna be like a mixed radish seed. But you can see some that are just laying on the top. But I just watered them in, can of water. So the seeds really shallow. These lettuce right here, I think it's really cool that they lasted through winter. I don't know how they did, but they did. So anyways, I'm gonna close the top on this guy. And those seeds, there's just little bits of each. Some of them I'm gonna say are 3 or 4 years old. I just kind of found them, so. Anyways, thanks for watching this quick little, hey, what to do with some seeds and Noah can't grow onions video. So like, subscribe, share this one around, comment, and hey, you guys have a good week as I'm filming this on a Sunday. So tomorrow's my Monday. I don't know what your day is while you're watching it, but have a good week, have a good weekend. That's all. Bye for now.